Hello everyone, so I am back on YouTube after a long time and I thought let's start making videos again. So this is my video on how to flash a custom ROM on your phone. I just want to start from the basics. So I've already flashed a custom recovery on my Redmi Note 4, as you can see. It's a different kind of custom recovery because it supports Project Treble ROM, so you can flash ROMs that support Project Treble. So it's currently running MIUI, but I'm gonna wipe that. So you to remove your previous ROM, you go to wipe. But before that, I'd recommend that you should back up your current ROM in case anything goes wrong and you just want to go back and deal with that later. So it's better to have a backup. So in order to back up your ROM, just go to your recovery, backup, and swipe to backup. Now I don't need a backup. I already have a backup on my PC, so I won't be doing that. So I'll be directly wiping the ROM, the current ROM that I have. So go to wipe and go to advanced wipe. Select Dalvik System Data Cache. Now we won't be selecting internal storage because we need the contents that are currently in the internal storage. So I'm not going to select that, and I do not want to select micro SD card or OTG as well. So once you've selected all these options, as you can see, I'm going to wipe and it will wipe all that. Voila, it's a quick process. Now I'm going to go back, and now we're in the main menu again. Now go to install. Okay, go to install and go to that folder where you have your custom ROMs. Now I would suggest that you should keep, if your phone has supports SD cards, you should keep your custom ROMs or any file that you are going to flash in the SD card. So just in case you wipe your internal storage, you still have your ROM in your SD card. So I'm gonna select my micro SD card. Okay, I kept everything in the root folder, and here you can see I have the custom ROM Havoc OS. I have couple of custom kernels as well. I will make a video on those later. And I have the GApps. Now these GApps supports Project Treble, but they're a bit different because they take much less space and much less battery. They're gonna consume much less battery, so I'm gonna go with that. So I'll choose the custom. Just tap on the file. Okay, now I can just swipe to flash or add more zips. Now I'm gonna add more zips. I'm gonna choose the GApps file. It's necessary to flash the GApps file because it is the file through which you can get Google Play services. Just in case you do not want Google Play services or any Google app on your phone, you can just decide not to flash it. But I want it, so I'm gonna flash it. So you can see the flashing has started, and it's going to take some time, so we'll come back as soon as the flashing is completed. So now the flashing has been completed, and now I also want root on my phone. So for that you need to flash a root zip file. Now before I'd say a couple years ago, Super SU was the most popular way to get root, but today Magisk is all the trend. So we're gonna flash Magisk module. There are certain good features about using Magisk, as some apps that do not work if you have root on your phone. Magisk has the ability to hide root, so those apps start working, like banking apps and all. So then that way Magisk is really cool, and it also kind of works like you can download different mods from Magisk, and that's really nice. So I will be making certain video specifically for the Magisk module if you want it. So just let me know, and I can also do a review on the current ROM that I'm flashing, that is Havoc OS. so please let me know. So now Magisk module is also flashed on this phone, so we're just gonna wipe the Dalvik cache. Okay, now reboot the phone. So it's gonna vibrate. You're gonna see the Mi logo. The phone is unlocked. I have unlocked the bootloader of the phone, so phone is unlocked. It's kind of getting warm, but it's okay. You don't have to worry. The first boot of any ROM takes a while, like 10 minutes. So don't worry if anything like that happens. This crack really bugs me right now. Anyway, so this is the new boot animation. Okay, so it booted into the Mi logo again. So we'll be back when the booting of the ROM starts. So as you can see, the ROM has started to boot. Boot animation of this ROM is really nice. I really like this boot animation a lot. Super cool. And it's gonna take some time to boot, so we'll be back when the ROM is all booted up, and we'll show the ROM version. So now the ROM is all booted up. You can see Havoc logo. Okay, and yeah, we're into the ROM. You can see it's all stock Android, really nice. You can see, and let's go to settings. Okay, about phone, Redmi Note 4, and we're running Android 8.1.0 April security patch. Okay, so that is it. That is how you flash a custom ROM on your phone. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you want a review of this ROM, how it is working, please let me know. And also, if you want any more videos in the future, please let me know your suggestions in the comment box. Like this video, and also subscribe to this channel.